House apartment, townhouse up and down, with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Yes kids, yes pets allowed, and yes parking. May sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig, inside subdivision, good community, and flood-free location. Malapit sa highway, malapit sa school at sa market. Hello everyone! Ito po yung na-visit natin at na-locate na bahay as of today, January 2025. House apartment ang location sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines. Maganda yung bahay at maganda rin ang location. Yes, pwede kang magtindahan. Yes mga kabahay, very spacious home sweet home. House apartment located in Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. And yes mga kabahay, welcome po. Maraming salamat sa pagbisita sa ating page, dito sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po. Share ko lang po itong details and information ng nalocate nating bahay as of January 2025. Ito po yung sample video ng house apartment. At syempre guys, gusto ko magpasalamat dahil nabigyan tayo ng pagkakataon na ma-share ko itong details and information, itong video sa inyong lahat. Mga kabahay, ito yung house apartment na townhouse 2 bedrooms sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines. Vacant as of today, January 2025. And yes mga kabahay, ready for occupancy, pwede nang malipatan kaagad. So ulit, ito po yung house apartment sa Bacoor City, Cavite. Itong kulay white na bahay, itong townhouse na up and down with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Very spacious na rin. Ayan, ito yung house apartment sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines. Welcome po mga kabay. Maraming salamat sa pagbisa sa ating page dito sa ating channel. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Paalam.